guys, if you just hang on up there for a second. Much wind here, but apparently, well, it's flowing from left to right, so you tie yourself out going into it, and you can just drift back nicely.
Okay, just sit straight down.
So if you give me a second, I'm just going to untie you.
Why would you fall in? I don't know.
Yeah, look at me and say cheese.
If you stand up,
Cheese.
silly.
Is that a waterproof camera?
It is.
Oh, that's really
No, there's nothing allowed on here.
Yeah, I know, which is probably why there are loads of convicts.
It's as quiet as... You take the high road and I'll take the low road.
I'm going to switch sides.
This is lovely, isn't it?
I'm looking out from there. Granny, I think that we really need to pedal more in. Maybe like, do you want to have a go?
You'll take the high road and I'll take the low road.
Sorry.
You need to stay on one side, Zara.
Look where you see.
No, I'm
Right, let me explain the steering, Zara. When you...
Can I take my jumper off?
Yep.
Can I take my thing off?
Yes.
What?
And then put it back on again. Yeah, you can take it.
Let's use this one, Zara.
Oh yeah.
I'm just trying to switch. You having a sleep?
Might be.
I've got for you.
What about that?
Ben's got a thing about pink.
Seals, did you say seals?
No, we're going to crash.
We might see a seal.
Wait,
Hello.
let's see.
Hello.
Hey, Chief.
Let them go.
Actually, I'm not doing anything. I'm just filming.
Wait, is that a little bump? Where I sit?
That is a bump, you're right.
It's not a bump.
No, it looks like, oh right. No.
Oh, it looks
A little bit misogynistic.
Oh, well.
Stop, it's not, that's the point.
It's great for them. They're just messing around in the boat, isn't it? Will you sim paddling then?
What, me do some paddling?
Because it...
Oh,
you missed out on that. It's only 20 past 12. We'll give another call. We'll have lunch about 1:45.
No!
Two.
Okay, let's try and get into that bit there, that corner there.
it just got all the way here.
Okay, let's... Hold
Bang.
On, hold on.
Boom.
That's all right.
Falling in.
Please, I am really hungry. No.
Right. Cheese.
Where's
Zara,
Isaac
here's your
gone?
water.
Zara's a bit.
Where's Isaac? I gathered that. Hold on to your stuff because if you drop it in the river, it's gone. There's your water for you. That's a good one.
I don't need those.
Yeah, but where's the food? Let's get to the point.
Let's make sure you don't drop water. Put your leg over
Have you
your
been on the boat filming?
Oh no, it's gonna look like.
Isaac, Grandpa's
Isaac and Ruby. So you take one.
Have
and
you done
hold the
underwater
bag to
yet?
rise at sea.
Take one and drop the bag in the water.
Probably, then you have to rise at yours. Actually, none of us put sunblock on. But then Isaac, all of us should have sunblock on, I've just realised.
Oh, it's a bit late now. No, wait, stop. Wait, like, stop. Was it in Romania?
Sounds like better. Yeah. Well, I've got to try and do it myself as well.
Oh, Zara, stop it.
I have to do this. I'm still here. It's very fun. We're on 10 seconds. 4K 30s. You got 1 hour 32 of left. You've got 50%. I'm getting this you robot. If you go past, and I'll get it. Hang on, hang on. Granny doing most of the work there.
Hey.
Wee.
No.
But Miles, goodbye.
We'll be on a boat together. We'll be on a boat. Or you can go down the river. Probably where a limpet was stuck on, like one of those. But if you look here, there's kind of little lines in the rock. I think that might be a fossil. A little bit of a
Yes,
fossil.
it is. It is.
It is, isn't it?
It's a close.
Yeah, it's if it's stuck to the ground.
You have to look really carefully, particularly in the white.
I'm looking out for anemones. Oh, I found an anemone. I'm so curled up though. Oh, I think I've got another crab. Wait, no, that's... You're good at spotting crabs. And they're really good at